Welcome to our guide on using NaPGlutrel, a powerful solution for cleaning medical devices. In this presentation, we'll walk you through the steps to ensure effective and safe usage of NaPGlutrel. Understanding the life cycle of a reusable medical device is crucial for maintaining its functionality and safety. From surgical procedures to drying, each step plays a vital role in ensuring the device is ready for reuse. Let's dive into the process of using NaPGlutrel. Begin by wearing personal protective equipment, then proceed with activating the solution and documenting the necessary details, followed by immersing the pre-cleaned, disassembled device in NaPGlutrel solution. Post-immersion, rinse, dry, assemble, pack and store the devices until next use. Follow each step carefully to ensure optimal results. Safety first. When handling NaPGlutrel, it's essential to wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including gloves, eye protection, and fluid-resistant gowns. This ensures your safety while working with the solution. Activating the NaPGlutrel solution involves opening the NaPGlutrel can and the attached activator vial, pouring the vial's contents into the can, and shaking until fully dissolved. For the 5-liter pack, 34 grams of activator powder should be added. The activated NaPGlutrel solution transitions from white to green, signifying its readiness for sterilization. To enhance clarity for customers, the activation is carried outside its original container to clearly showcase this color change. Accurate documentation of activation dates, solution concentration, and temperature is essential to ensure compliance and process integrity. Before sterilization, clean devices at the bedside right after use to remove visible debris. This prevents contaminants from drying and hardening. Next, rinse all devices with NaP-Steri-DM water to eliminate loose particles and prepare them for thorough cleaning. Pre-cleaning using Zim Expert 7 Plus mixed with NaP-Steri-DM water, a mild low-foam enzymatic solution designed for effective debris removal. After cleaning, ensure devices are completely dried. Any residual water can dilute the disinfectant and compromise sterilization. Remember, incomplete pre-cleaning or moisture can reduce NaPGlutrel concentration, leading to ineffective results. Once the instrument is dry, pour activated NaPGlutrel solution into a tray without dilution. Before immersion the devices, check the solution's minimum effective concentration, pH, temperature to ensure optimal conditions. Fully immerse the devices in the activated NaPGlutrel solution and follow contact time to elapse before removing the devices. When removing, use aseptic technique to prevent recontamination. After immersion, rinsing is essential. Rinse devices 3 times with RO water, ensuring each rinse lasts at least 1 minute. This step is vital to remove any residual solution and prepare the device for drying. While RO water is ideal, rinsing with potable water may pose a risk of bacterial growth. Proper drying, packing, storing are essential to prevent recontamination. Use terminal sterilization after packing for maximum protection and follow specific storage instructions to maintain device integrity. Be aware of the contraindications for NaPGlutrel. It is not suitable for sterilizing certain medical devices, such as single-use items, rigid endoscopes, and also where alternative methods are recommended. Sterilization isn't just a task, it's a responsibility. With NaPGlutrel, success starts with proper activation and thorough pre-cleaning. Stay sharp, maintain contact time, wear your personal protectives, and test solution potency. Rinse with care, store with precision. Every step protects your patients. Every detail matters.